So I'm back testing out another product. The brand did send me this camera, so I'm gonna get it set up. I'm gonna do an unboxing, show you everything it comes with and how simple it is to set up. It is solar powered. So there is your panel. Instructions, the camera itself, that is nice and big. Seems really heavy duty too. And then obviously that can turn all different directions. You can see the different lenses here. Then you have the different brackets to hang it. Got a USB cord here, you have some mounting hardware, just like your little mounting sticker, so you can put it on the surface and you'll know exactly where to drill your holes at. Go ahead and charge it up fully before you go and install it. So we got that all charged, ready to go. The QR code right there that you're gonna use, and then download the app so that you can view everything from your phone. So I'm gonna get this downloaded, this hung up, and then show you everything that it shows you. Okay, so you do have to download the app and then it'll instruct you to add your camera to it. And the back here is where your on and off is, as well as a reset button and where you're gonna charge it initially. So we are currently getting the camera connected. Really, it's full color. It's nice and clear even. Either have a smaller screen or you can have a full screen. You can take a picture and you can screenshot it and it will save to your phone. So here I'm using my phone to videotape my sister's phone so you can see how clear everything is. You've got a little speaker button here so you can talk to somebody outside or maybe try and scare somebody off. You can actually take a screenshot and then save it to your camera roll. You have your battery life up here. And then she's kind of moving it around so that you can see. There is just lots of different options with this. This button right here is recording. And that'll save right to her phone, and then you can stop it at any time. And then it says view album. This is the horizontal screen. Again, it's got the same things. You can turn the volume off and on, your battery life, your network here, and then down at the bottom, let's push this one. And then here are a bunch of your settings. You got the siren, so if you want to try and scare somebody off. It has a light on it, so you can set that light. Of course, there's your playback button if you want to watch the videos. Oh my gosh, my phone. There's this feature tracking that will follow different objects outside. So I wanted to show, it does have a nice long cord from the solar panel to the actual camera, so that if you have to place your camera in one area, there is a nice long cord if you have to place this in a different area. I've got it set up right here on my deck. This is a perfect example of why you need it to have a longer cord. On my back deck, it's gonna be able to record my entire backyard. You can see the panels up there as well. Just takes a couple screws, completely wireless. It's gonna use whatever network you have in your area, the 4G, to connect here so you can view things on your phone. This is great because I cannot connect to the internet in the backyard here, so this is perfect. And it's gonna be able to get everything back here. It does have a light too that'll pop on in the middle of the night if there is somebody back here, movement back here. It does tilt and rotate. Of course, it's made for all kinds of weather. If you are looking for a completely wireless, no need for internet system, is nice and clear and in full color, then definitely check out this one. I hope this video has helped.